Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at setting up RetroAchievements in RetroArch. To get started, navigate to RetroAchievements.org and create a new account. Complete the form by entering a username, email address, and password, then click the Create User button. Once you've created your account with RetroAchievements, log into your email client and validate the email address. Find the Welcome to RetroAchievements email and click the link to validate your email address. Now that we have our email address validated, we can close out of our email client and launch RetroArch. Inside RetroArch, select Settings and scroll down to Achievements. Enable Achievements, then select Username and enter your RetroAchievements username. Then select Password and enter your RetroAchievements password. Optionally, you can enable a sound when a new trophy has been unlocked. We now have RetroAchievements configured in RetroArch. Now we just need to launch a game that has achievements associated with it. When everything's configured properly, you'll get a notification that you're logged into RetroAchievements, and if the game has achievements associated, how many you've completed. Super Mario Bros. Has a lot of really easy to attain achievements, so you can test the functionality. You'll see as I get different items for the first time, achievements are unlocked. After you finish gaming, you can navigate back to RetroAchievements website and see how many achievements you've completed, and check yourself against the leaderboard.